So you went from being part of the problem to being part of the solution.
Exactly.
And offering something new, something innovative, and something that catches that circular trend. And I really like the whole sustainability circular angle, because if I remember back when I was a kid, if you were wearing second-hand clothes, that was seen as like a bad thing to do, right? An uncool thing maybe. But now it's trendy to be sustainable. Do you think I'm making any sense saying that? I mean, is the circular economy, it's growing quickly, so do you see it as being like a fast-growing trend at the moment?
Absolutely, it's growing quickly. It's becoming very trendy to, where's that from? Oh, it's vintage, or it's from Vestiaire.
Yeah.
And I think we're very lucky. We've kind of captured this moment, and my sort of pivot from fast fashion to fashion resale is quite timely.
Yeah.
And we're really excited as a business because that's very timely in terms of the growing market and demand from a consumer's perspective, but also in terms of the technology.
Yeah.
And basically, Style Swap wants to be at the absolute forefront of the combination of looking at how we can solve fashion's environmental impact using technology and personalization tools particularly.
Yeah.
And that's really what sets us apart from our competitors.
Just tell us a little bit more about the personalization, because I know that you use a bit of AI and machine learning and that type of tech to really power the system. Tell us a little bit more about the personalization side of it.
Yeah, sure. So we've developed some technology called Stylomatics.
Okay.
And really that, in essence, is a way of using machine learning to detect style.
Yeah.
And what that means for the customer is that when you're shopping online for secondhand fashion, it can often be quite an overwhelming or complicated experience. Lots of items of only one thing rather than a whole beautifully designed collection of fashion pieces. And so that really kind of solves that problem for the customer, because the customer can go on, they actually take a style quiz, which is quite fun. It's a little bit kind of gamified. And basically, kind of throughout that experience, the customer is giving over some data points around their style. They might be more romantic or more kind of city and sort of tailoring sort of styling.
Sure.
And that's really important because there's not much conversation out there in terms of fashion tech and personalization around style. And obviously, women's wear fashion is hugely complicated, as most men know. There's so many nuances to it. It's there's sort of billions of different data points around the overall style and then the actual kind of design details within a garment. So what that piece of technology is doing is filtering through so that we actually are building if you will, a style passport around that individual person. So that really what we're doing is being able to recommend and elevate the shopping experience for that individual, so that you're showing them what they're much more likely to be interested in and buying. Therefore, making the whole sustainable pre-loved shopping experience a lot more enjoyable, so more people do it essentially. Yeah,
the machine learning behind it is definitely the future of convenience, really. If people are opening up an app, whether that's to buy clothes, whether that's to buy food, whether that's to buy something on Amazon, and the tech already knows what you want and it knows it better than you would know that, then that's obviously quite interesting.